to me in prison, so I had to break out socially. No matter, can be stopped. Watch me as I stomp this cop, cause he tried to bring me down. Now I got a case, and the only thing to do is skip this fucking town. Had my doubts.